Now, drawbacks. What are the drawbacks of being entrepreneurs? Disadvantages, or I will say drawbacks. You will need to put in long hours. Suppose if you are not able to complete a particular task in a given frame of time, then you need to log out. You need to log and you have to complete it because you are the only employee in your enterprise and you only have the responsibility of completing the particular task. So the disadvantage or drawback is you need to put in long hours of effort and need money to start. Definitely, people, if you don't have any capital investment, you cannot start your business. So you need to look for investors who are willing to accept your idea and ensure that they fund your proposal. Have to keep up with government rules and regulations. Yes, always the government keeps changing its rules and regulations from time to time. You have different laws governing and different periods of time. So you have to comply with all of them and you cannot go against the government rules and regulations. So definitely you have to be updated on what you are doing, whether it is complying with the government rules and regulations or not. May have to make hard decisions. So you have to make some hard decisions like hiring people or firing people. Hiring means if you cannot withstand the load, if you cannot handle your business single-handedly, you need to definitely think of hiring people who can help in contributing some productive effort to your company. So that is hiring. And that people, they may need not be always talented and they may not be productive all the time. So in that case, you need to take the decision of hiring people also. So hiring and firing are the hard decisions which an entrepreneur has to make when he is going to be in a looking for profits in his company. That is a serious drawback, and he may lose money because of either because of lack of productivity in himself or lack of productivity in his employees. He may lose his money. Lose his money means ultimately the profit is going to be less. The impact the company is going to produce in the market is going to be very, very less. So the drawbacks are more in number. You have to put a long slog. You have to slog in long hours to complete your job. You need more money to start an enterprise, and you have to have constant eye on the government rules and regulations. And you have to make some hard decisions like hiring and firing, and you may lose money if your decisions are not correct. If you take wrong decisions, then you may end up losing all your money and becoming bankrupt. Okay, so these are the advantages and drawbacks of being